Hey everyone, welcome to Code Breaker, where we dive deep into coding and web development. I'm Edward, and today we are starting off with the foundation of web development, and that is HTML. So what exactly is HTML? This stands for HyperText Markup Language, and it's the standard language used to create web pages. Every website you see, every website you visit has HTML behind it. Structuring the content you see, that is HTML behind that. Think of it as the skeleton of a web page. So let's jump right in and create our first simple web page. Here is what a basic HTML document looks like. So we use our code editor, that is VS Code. Then this is our file, that is index.html. So we start by this. Then HTML. In between that, we add our head. Then after the head, we include what we call a body, where we're going to put the structure of our web page. So inside the body, we add h1 and the paragraph, that is heading and the paragraph. So inside the h1, we put the heading to be my first website, and then in the paragraph we write, this is a paragraph. It's a paragraph of text on my website. So this is a simple web page, and we're going to use a certain extension called live, and then we see how it looks like in a browser. So before that, let me explain the code into details, because we will break it into details. So we're going to start with this. So this, first we have this DOCTYPE HTML. This tells the browser what this is. So it tells the browser that this is an HTML5. So we have very many versions of HTML behind us, but since we found this, so we're going to go by this. So this tells the browser that we're going to write our code in HTML5 document. Next, we have the HTML tag, which starts our HTML document. Inside that, where we include things like the title of the web page. So let me zoom for you. So then from the head tag, we go to the body. So inside the body, we have the h1, that is the heading one, and then we have the paragraph tag, that is p. So, and we open this in the browser, you will see our first web page in action. Looking like this. So this is my heading and this is my paragraph. So this is how websites are made. So we've started with the foundation, and that is HTML. So let me just close this and then go back to my code. So that's a quick introduction to HTML. In the next video, we will dive deeper into formatting text, adding images, and linking to other pages. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with new content. Please give me a thumbs up and please do strike the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for supporting Codebreaker.